Assalamu alaikum students. I am here with some more questions on sets, and as I promised you in the previous video that I will be solving some more questions from exercise 14b. So here I am with question number 5 of exercise 14b. This question number 5 is basically about a Venn diagram, and it is given that a universal set that has members 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we have two sets. A is 1 2 and B is 1 2 3 4, and we have to illustrate this information with the help of a Venn diagram. And Venn diagram is basically an illustration which is used to show relationship between different sets. It can be two sets, it can be more than two sets, and we use circles to represent our sets, and we use a rectangle, a big rectangle, to show our universal set. And Venn diagram is also used in different subjects to show similarities and differences between two quantities. In maths, they are used to represent the relationship between two sets, and this is basically a Venn diagram. Since I have a universal set, so I will draw a rectangle first. This rectangle is basically the representation of the universal set, and the universal set has the members 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I will not write them in the rectangle first. I will see how many sets do I have. So I have two sets, A and B, so I have to draw two circles. And what type of circles they will be? First I will see the members 1 2 and 1 2 3 4. Since these both sets have some members in common, so I will be drawing overlapping circles that are joining together at some point, because these two sets have some common members. If there were no common members, so I will not be drawing these type of circles. I will be drawing two separate circles. Since I can see that 1 2 is present over here and 1 2 is also over here, so I will draw overlapping sets. Overlapping circles are those circles which show some common elements, and in simple words we can say that two circles are touching each other. They are overlapping sets. So this part, which is the overlapping part, this part is common in set B and A also. So I will write those members which are a part of A and B. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, so I will write 1 and 2 in this part. Since there is no other member in A left, so I will leave this space blank, and I have 3 and 4 in set B, so I will write 3 and 4 in the other part. So now I have completed my set A and B, and now I will move forward to fill the universal. Since I have written 1 2 3 4, this is basically the universal. Everything inside this box is the universal. So I have written 1 2 and 3 4, so the remaining will be 5 6 7 8 9. So I will write it at the outside of the circles, 5 6 7 8 9. So this was my Venn diagram, and a Venn diagram is basically used to show a relationship between different sets. And by looking at this Venn diagram, you can see that 1 and 2 are the common elements, and there are no other element except 1 2, and there are 3 4 as well in set B. So you can look at this Venn diagram and you can identify how many members in set A are there, how many members in set B are there, what are the common elements, and how many members are there in the universal. And you can also find the complements and the differences as well by looking at this Venn diagram.